In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your product URL on Shopify. So all you need to do is sign into your Shopify account. I'm on my homepage. Now next up, you want to click on products right there and go to the product that you want to do this for, of course. Now I'm just going to click on one of these random products. Let me go with this one right there. And then once you're here, you can actually change all of this, right? So what you want to do, you want to scroll all the way down until you find search engine listing preview, and then as of right now, this would be the link, right? This would be the product link, which is messy, it's way too long, and it just doesn't look good. So if you want to change that link, all you need to do is click on edit website SEO, which should send you over to, or just give you access to this menu right there. And first of all, you want to make sure that this is right, of course, for your SEO. I'm not going to go into that because this is not a video about that. But right there, oops, it's my bad. What did I do? Let me go back. You already saw right there that you were actually able to change the link. So if I just go back, click edit website SEO, there you go. Right there, you'll then see this link, and this is where you can edit this, okay? So you can get rid of all of this basically. So if I just go over, you can see that right now it's messy, it's way too long, and you can actually get rid of this, okay? So you can simply do that by pretty much removing all of this. I'm not sure why it's so laggy, but there you go. And you can then add, oops, I clicked away everything, which is why it goes back, but that's where you can actually edit the custom URL or change it. So for example, if you just want it to be 2019 anti-slip seamless and then add whatever, okay, that would pretty much be where you would actually change the product URL. You then click on save at the top right corner, and that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comment section down below, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.